Hello, today we are going to see how to make an ocean simulation in 3 minutes. Okay, let's start with deleting everything in the scene. Add a plan, scale it a little bit. Go to Add Modifier, then Physics and Ocean. Then change the properties to make it perfect as you want. Let's add texture to our ocean. The most important thing is making the roughness to 0 and transmission to 1. Don't forget to license Scene, Word. You can find them for free in Polyhaven. Add camera. Control B, and you finished. You can animate it by adding keyframes to time in the Ocean property.